I got this outdoor storage tub sent to me to make a video about. This is a paid post. Yeah, this thing's pretty nice. Pretty good size too, and it's not that hard to put together. All right, let me go ahead and show you how I put it together, and then I'll show you how much stuff I can put inside of here. Okay, to put this thing together, it shows that we have 6 parts right here, and each one has a letter on it. You got your A, your B, and your C. And the first assembly instruction here shows we put the B and the C together. It's got some tabs on the side that we lock it into. All right, so we got that locked together there. And then the next picture shows we put the other C on there. So there's a handle on the top. That one goes on the top. So the next picture shows that we use the A piece and we put that on the top. Okay, here's the A piece. There's also writing on the bottom too, so you know which direction is up and down. Just fitting it in here like that, and then I'm gonna push it down tight. The next direction shows E here on the top. So here's the hinge holes right there. And we just line up those hinge holes on there. These have a little bit of a groove in them, so it should just slide straight down. Now that opens up real nice. It lines up really nice on the front with a little place to lock and unlock. On step 3, we use the D, so I missed a step there. We're going to put the bottom on. So yeah, I missed a step here. That's what I get for saying it's really easy to put together. I had trouble getting the side pieces to go down, but if you use this rubber pad that comes with it for the packing, then you can put some pressure on here to push these into place. Okay, now we need to put the lock on here. It's just got this little lever here. It says push this way here. You can see how the hardware's on the top up here. So we put this end up here like this. And then just push it there to lock it. There's unlocked and there's locked. All right, let's go ahead and take this thing outside and put some stuff in it. All right, let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what's inside. It's got a lock and an unlock button here, so I'm just going to push it to unlock there so I can open it up. All right, so I can keep my robot pool vacuum in here. That's pretty nice. All right, let's see what else I can fit in here. Oh, I can fit another robot pool vac in here. Yeah, this tub's pretty big. I can fit a lot of stuff in here. This thing's huge too. Yeah, this is a pretty nice outdoor storage tub.